So how about a 10-inch chuck turning centre with driven tools for just £65,000 delivered to your machine shop? I'm here at ETG today and we're talking about the Vulcan TC250. Steve, tell us the detail on this machine for 65k.
So, fully endorsed our new product range, the 250. So 10-inch chuck, 65 through the spindle bore, fully equipped with Renishaw drop-down tool probe, BMT 65 turret, obviously fully equipped with turning and boring and driven holders, tailstock, swath management system.
Wow, all off the tongue there. Now, there's a lot of 10-inch chuck machines in the marketplace. It's a similar question to what I ask people a lot. Let's say I've got a choice of 20 of these. Why the Vulcan, especially when it's a brand new product?
Yeah, so when we launched Vulcan and prior to that, we were aware that the market is a flooded market, so we had to stand out different. How did we do that? We picked up an engineering team with an engineering manager based in the factories out in Taiwan, and they oversee the build quality of the machines and pass them off before dispatch to a standard that we require.
A lot of people talk nowadays about about milling on a turning centre, and these turrets becoming far more capable now, aren't they?
Yeah.
Is it as capable as some others when it comes to the milling? Certainly with that BMT turret.
Yeah, 100%.
Compared to a VDI maybe.
Well, it's the same system as the BMT that we have on the Nakamuras, you know. So BMT versus VDI, you'll have for every argument you'll have obviously a challenge to it. So we can offer both setups, VDI and BMT. We feel BMT is a sturdier setup, especially for the driven units.
Now this is one of a few models that you're bringing in regularly. Lots of machines got into the field already, and in fact we've seen some of the customers that have had them been very impressed. What's the reason behind you being able to get into this market quite quickly, service it successfully?
This area of the market, as we know, is very aggressive, and it is all driven down by price. So when you're competing against the competitors out there, we need to offer something different, not just in the machine tool, but in the backup and support and what we can give the customer once we deliver the machine. Okay,
because that is something that we've got in addition here to really put the icing on the cake. What else are you offering with the purchase of this machine for 65k that can really whet the appetite of some machinists?
So when a customer is looking to make this type of investment, they will have a part or component they're looking to put onto the machine. So our offer is we will take that component, work with the customer, engineer the part, and we will set that up for when the machine is delivered to the customer. We will have them visit here and sign off, and the machine will be running how they expect it to.
Okay, so essentially a turnkey offering.
Exactly
On an entry-level machine at £65,000, 10-inch chuck machine with driven tools. Contact ETG at engtechgroup.com.